You ever look back at your life and think, what the hell was I even doing? Yeah, same. I wasted 5 years of my life, 5 whole years, on things that didn't matter. But here's the thing, I learned something. And today, I'm going to break it down so you don't have to make the same mistakes I did. Trust me, stick around, because by the end of this video, you might just shave years off your learning curve. If you feel like you've been running in circles, wasting time, and not making any real progress, this video is for you. And if you stay till the end, I'll even share a step-by-step plan that you can start using today to turn things around. So let's get into it. Segment 1, the wake-up call. So let me set the stage for you. 5 years ago, I thought I had it all figured out. I had a plan, or at least I thought I did. But in reality, I was running in circles, chasing things that didn't actually matter. And the worst part? I didn't even realize it. I was caught in a cycle. Procrastination, distractions, excuses, you name it. I kept telling myself, I'll do it tomorrow. Spoiler alert, tomorrow never came. I was comfortable, and comfort, that's the enemy of progress. If you feel stuck, chances are you're in the same trap. And here's the kicker. I thought I was busy. I thought I was working hard. But looking back, most of what I was doing was just busy work. Checking emails, watching educational YouTube videos, scrolling through self-improvement content, but never actually applying it. Sound familiar? I wasn't taking real action. I wasn't pushing myself out of my comfort zone. And that's why I stayed stuck for so long. If you're feeling the same way, this is your wake-up call. Segment 2, biggest mistake I made. The biggest mistake I made? I was waiting for the perfect moment. And that's where most people screw up. I kept thinking, I need more time, I need more money, I need more motivation. But here's the truth. If you're waiting for the stars to align, you're going to be waiting forever. Success isn't about perfect timing. It's about taking action, even when things aren't perfect. And that's the hard pill I had to swallow. The more you wait, the harder it gets. It's like quicksand. The longer you stay in, the deeper you sink. And let's talk about another huge mistake, fearing failure. I spent years avoiding risk, afraid of looking stupid, afraid of failing. But here's the thing. Failure is inevitable. It's part of the process. The faster you fail, the faster you learn. And the faster you learn, the faster you grow. So if you're stuck, ask yourself, are you waiting for the perfect moment? Are you afraid of failing? If so, it's time to shift your mindset. Segment 3, what I wish I knew sooner. Now, let me save you years of regret. If I could go back, here's what I'd do differently. Just start. Whatever it is, business, fitness, learning a skill, just start. You'll suck at first. That's normal. But you'll get better. Cut out distractions, social media, endless scrolling, toxic people. If it's not helping you grow, it's holding you back. Period. Stop seeking validation. This one's huge. I wasted so much time worrying about what people thought. But at the end of the day, those same people, they don't care. Do what's right for you. Fail faster. The faster you fail, the faster you learn. And the faster you learn, the faster you win. Simple math. Focus on what matters. Not everything requires your attention. Prioritize what actually moves the needle forward. Invest in yourself. Read books. Take courses. Find a mentor. You are your greatest asset. Treat yourself like it. Take care of your health. You can't build an empire if you're running on fumes. Your energy, focus, and longevity depend on how well you treat your body. Segment 4, the power of discipline. Motivation fades. You won't always feel like doing the work. That's where discipline comes in. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. It's the secret weapon that separates those who succeed from those who don't. The truth is, discipline isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. It's like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. But just like working out, if you neglect it, it weakens over time. That's why consistency is key. Want to build discipline? Start small. Wake up at the same time every day. Stick to a schedule. Follow through on commitments, even the tiny ones. The more disciplined you become in small areas, the easier it gets in big ones. Make your bed every morning. Show up on time. Do that workout, even when you don't feel like it. These small actions create momentum, and momentum creates habits. Another key to discipline is removing temptation. If you struggle with distractions, eliminate them. Delete time-wasting apps. Set up website blockers and create an environment that makes it easier to focus. When you structure your surroundings for success, discipline becomes second nature. And finally, hold yourself accountable. Keep a journal, track your progress, and celebrate small wins. Don't rely on motivation. Rely on systems and habits that keep you moving forward, even on the hard days. Segment 5, the importance of surroundings. Your environment shapes you. If you hang around 5 lazy people, guess what? You'll be the 6th. If you're surrounded by ambitious, hardworking individuals, you'll naturally elevate yourself. The people you spend time with influence your mindset, your energy, and even your habits. If your circle constantly complains, makes excuses, or settles for mediocrity, that energy will rub off on you. On the other hand, if you're surrounded by driven, goal-oriented individuals, you'll feel inspired to push yourself harder. Evaluate your circle. Are the people around you pushing you forward or holding you back? If necessary, change your environment. Join new groups, meet new people, and seek out those who inspire you to grow. Surround yourself with books, podcasts, and resources that fuel your progress. Make your surroundings a place where success is inevitable. And it's not just about people. Your physical environment matters too. If your workspace is cluttered, you'll feel scattered. If your home is full of distractions, your focus will suffer. Set up a space that encourages productivity and eliminates unnecessary obstacles. Remember, your surroundings either propel you toward success or drag you toward failure. Choose wisely. Segment 6. Stop overthinking. Overthinking kills more dreams than failure ever will. Most people get stuck because they analyze every little thing instead of just starting. Perfectionism is a trap. The best way to get better is through action. The fear of making the wrong decision can paralyze you. But here's the truth. No decision is worse than a wrong decision. At least when you take action, you gain experience. You learn, adapt, and grow. But if you sit there thinking about every possible outcome, you'll never move forward. Don't wait until you have all the answers. Don't try to predict every outcome. Just take the first step. Learn along the way and adjust as needed. Progress is messy, but motion beats stagnation every single time. Stop letting what-ifs dictate your future. One trick to beat overthinking? Give yourself a deadline. If you're stuck on a decision, set a timer for 5 minutes and force yourself to choose. Trust yourself to figure things out as you go. Action beats hesitation. Every single time. Segment 7. How to fix your life right now. Okay, so now you're probably thinking, all right, wise guy, how do I fix this? Here's the game plan. Step 1. Audit your life. Where's your time going? Who's in your circle? What's holding you back? Get brutally honest with yourself. Write down your habits, your strengths, and the things that are draining you. You can't fix what you don't acknowledge. Step 2. Take small actions. Forget the big, overwhelming goals. Focus on small wins every single day. Progress is progress, no matter how small. Want to get fit? Start with 10 push-ups a day. Want to improve your finances? Save $5 a day. Tiny steps lead to massive results over time. Step 3. Set deadlines. Goals without deadlines are just dreams. Put a date on it. Make it real. Track progress, stay accountable, and adapt as needed. Write your goals down, set reminders, and measure your progress weekly. Step 4. Cut out distractions. If something is slowing you down, be it a bad habit, a toxic relationship, or wasted hours on social media, let it go. Create an environment that makes success easier. Step 5. Keep going. Change doesn't happen overnight. It's about consistency, resilience, and showing up every single day. There will be setbacks, but as long as you keep moving forward, you're making progress. Look, I wasted 5 years, but you don't have to. If you take anything from this video, let it be this. Time is your most valuable resource. Don't waste it. Start now. Because the sooner you do, the sooner you win. Stop waiting for the perfect time. It doesn't exist. Stop overthinking, stop doubting yourself, and just start. Every successful person started somewhere. The only difference between them and you is that they took action. Drop a comment below. What's one thing you're going to start doing today to change your life? I want to hear it. No more waiting, no more excuses, just action. And as always, stay focused, stay hungry, and I'll see you in the next one.